Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create videos of product reviews, mods, and install guides of cool accessories and gadgets. In this video, we are going to install tire snow chains by Goodroad. They come in a nice carry bag for safekeeping and storage. Comes with these plastic covers to put on the chains itself for protection. Comes with some gloves and instructions. This set comes with 8 snow chains that are made of anti-rust 100% manganese steel. This new X design helps prevent side slip from slipping side to side. They fit most tires with a width between 205 and 265 millimeters. They are not suitable for iron wheels. The wheel must have at least 3 centimeters in between the spokes. You don't want to install them over the inflation valve. It is recommended that you keep your speed under 40 kilometers or 25 miles per hour when you have these chains on. They are easy to install and disassemble with this automatic tensioner. Once you receive them, you want to install these plastic protectors before you use them. So you want to get one of the smaller plastic protector, and they have these little knobs that you just insert and snap into place. That's one side. You want to get your larger one. You have 2 of these knobs that you want to align with the holes and just snap them into place. These protect your wheel and your tire. To install, you want to make sure the plastic protectors are facing the tire, and you want to feed this strap in between the 2 spokes. Okay, now you go ahead and fish for the strap. Once you have the strap, you want to insert the strap in this groove here, this little slot. All right. Once it's in the slot, go ahead and pull. You want to make sure your chains are nice and tight. And then just go ahead and use the tensioner. Just like that. I do wish there's a way to secure this extra strap. Maybe like a pocket. The chains are on nice and tight. Nice X pattern. And the protector so this doesn't rub and ruin your tires or your wheel. To remove, you simply want to push this up. To release the tensioner, go ahead and open it up and then pull the strap out. I'm going to leave a product link in the description below in case you're interested in purchasing one for yourself. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.